In this video, I will review the Qinux Aquoxis pressure washer jet by comparing it to standard garden hose nozzles to see if it truly delivers on its claims. When you are looking for a portable cleaning solution, the biggest contrast is between a basic sprayer and a dedicated pressure jet. The Aquoxis is positioned as a heavy-duty upgrade that can turn any hose into a powerful cleaning tool, promising up to 15 times more power than traditional hoses. This makes it a standout feature for those who want gas power results without the bulky equipment. While a standard nozzle might just wet down your patio, this device utilizes 3 spraying modes and 360-degree rotation to tackle deep grime on cars, floors, and walls. Looking at the market landscape, you will find several variations of these portable jets ranging from $16 to nearly $30. The Aquoxis specific kit often includes a foam pot and metal connectors to ensure universal compatibility. The trade-off here is usually between price and power. While cheaper alternatives exist for simple gardening, the Aquoxis aims for a more aggressive cleaning performance. It is designed to be a multi-function sprayer that transitions between light lawn watering and high-pressure patio scrubbing. If you need something that is lightweight but packs a punch, this seems to be the winning choice for homeowners who avoid heavy electric washers. However, keep an eye on the build quality of the connectors to ensure a leak-free experience during high-pressure use. Thanks for watching our breakdown of the Qinux Aquoxis jet. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tool reviews and outdoor gear tests.